My video guide is about getting rid of the malicious pop-up windows that are related to the website adblockchrome.net. If you see these pop-ups by adblockchrome.net, keep in mind that these are totally fake alerts and you should not interact with them. They claim that they help you to install some urgent update for Chrome, but in reality this is a fake Chrome update. It is not related to Google Chrome or any other decent browsers. If you see these pop-ups by adblockchrome.net, do not interact with them. Simply leave this page and disregard whatever it tells you. As I said, this pop-up promotes unwanted browser extensions that may operate as adware or browser hijackers. If any unwanted extensions were installed, access the menu, go to More Tools, then Extensions. So disable and delete any unwanted extensions from the list. I also recommend that you research the system additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on this page, combocleaner.com. So download it, install it, and then after it gets successfully installed, start thoroughly researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats from the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.